viewers, my name is Nisha. Today I will explain you all the steps which is required while processing Serbia after online submission. I will explain with the screenshots and everything that on which stage you are actually in and what is the next step which is going to come.
Once the payment details has been done, like payment has been done, then after that payment in progress. So how you will see that? Once the payment has been done, you will go to my request, and then in my request your status will show you as payment in progress. It means the payment is done. The very important step which everyone have a lot of questions for is request submitted. Request submitted actually means that the online application which we have submitted is successfully completed. It's done. It does not mean that it is started processing. It does not mean that the checking has been started. It does not mean the application is in the immigration, nothing like that. Request submitted, in easy word if I say, it just online submitted. The work has been completed online, done. Now, the next step after request submitted is request processing. This comes actually after request submitted. Once this request processing comes, it means now your file is in checking process. It means they are checking the documents which you have uploaded. Yes, you have seen that your status is showing as request updated or updating. This means that they have asked you for some documents and now you have uploaded or your company has provided that paper. Once that paper has been provided and it is accepted, then the status comes request updated. Alright, it is accepted, your paper has been accepted, then the status started showing as request updated. And then again it will show you the status as request processing. Again it will show you as request processing. Request processing means that the documents which you have uploaded, which they have asked you for, now they are checking that papers. Request processing means they are now checking your paper which you have recently given to them or your company has given to them. The status is positive, then in that case you as request approved, and then you can submit your passport in the embassy, and within one month maximum nowadays they will provide you the visa sticker and then you can travel. In some cases the visa has been refused as well. If your visa has been refused, then you will see your current status as request refused. In this scenario, you will receive one mail stating the reason of your refusal and you will get 8 days for re-appeal.
I hope till then whatever I have explained you, it's quite informative for you. If you have any questions or any queries, please do comment on the comment box, or you can send me email on the email ID, or you can send me the WhatsApp as well. If this is informative for you, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Till then, this is Nisha Chauhan signing out. Dhanyavad.